Bile juice. It is a greenish yellow fluid formed in the liver and stored in the gallbladder about 0.5 to 1 liter per day. Coming to the composition of the bile juice, it consists of bile salts, bile pigments, cholesterol, inorganic salts, fatty acids and fat, alkaline phosphatase, and important cations and anions used to be present. Coming to the bile acids, there are two types of bile acids, primary and secondary. Primary bile acids are cholic acid, cholic acid. The primary bile acids are formed in the hepatocytes from the cholesterol. Then coming to the secondary bile acids, these are deoxycholic acid and lithocholic acid. These are produced in the intestine by the intestinal bacteria. They convert primary bile acids into the secondary bile acids. Then coming to the bile salts. Bile salts are sodium potassium salts of the bile acids. Bile acids are conjugated with the taurine or glycine to form the taurocholic acid and glycocholic acid. These acids then combine with the sodium and potassium salts to form sodium taurocholate, sodium glycocholate, potassium taurocholate and potassium glycocholate respectively. Then coming to the functions of the bile salts. Bile salts are primarily responsible for absorption of the fat and fat soluble nutrient. Then coming to absorption of the fat, it mainly depends upon the formation of the micelles by bile salts in the intestine. Next, they also helps in emulsification of the fats. Bile salts are surface tension reducing agents. Next, bile salts are important choleretics. They are constituents of the bile and also they stimulates the bile secretion. Next, bile salts also facilitate the absorption of the fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K. And bile salts also activate the pancreatic lipase. Bile salts along with the lecithin solubilize cholesterol. Thus, they prevent the formation of the stones in the gallbladder. Bile salts act as a physiological purgatives. So, constipation occurs in conditions of deficiency of delivery of bile into the intestine as occurs in the obstructive jaundice. It also helps in adding natural brownish color to the stool. Next, bile also maintains the pH of the intestinal content and prevents the overgrowth of the bacteria in the intestine. Thank you for listening.